had a p0420 code. A catalyst efficiency is below threshold. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pour this whole bottle in my gas tank, and I'm gonna top my gas off. I topped off the gas. We're gonna take a long drive. I done drove it for like 15 minutes. The check engine light is still on. I'm going to drive it out to another city to get it inspected, which is about 30 minutes, maybe 35 minutes. So I'm gonna drive it a little bit more. A 30-minute drive, and the engine light is still